It's Invention Saturday, bright ideas ahead. Psst, there might be a tricky one in here, or not, who knows? What is the name for the platform or surface on which a 3D printed object is built? You got it, print bed. Which country was the first to develop and widely implement a high-speed rail network, bullet train, in the 1960s? That's right, Japan. What does IoT stand for, relating to the increasing connectivity of everyday devices? Correct, Internet of Things. What is the name of the first commercial cell phone, released in 1983? That's right, Motorola Dynatac 8000X. What is a bubble quilt made of? Correct. Several layers of bubble wrap bonded together. The process of heating canned goods to destroy harmful microorganisms is known as... Nailed it, sterilization. Tesla is sometimes credited with inventing the radio. Who is generally considered the official inventor of the radio? Correct. Guglielmo Marconi. Which of the following is a potential downside of using touchscreen technology? Correct. Reduced battery life on mobile devices. What fuel was most commonly used to heat the water and create steam in early steam engines? Correct. Coal. What is the main purpose of blockchain technology aside from its use in cryptocurrencies? You got it, to provide a secure and transparent way to record transactions. You crushed it. Hit follow and come back tomorrow for Buffett.